Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching autonomous drone bot. Build, code and fly. It's a special zero to hero series. That's the reason I'm making all short videos to get you introduced to each and every components of your drone in detail, right? It's very important, guys. It looks a little funny, it might look a little boring, but it's very important for the beginners, for the first timers, to get your hands on into each and every component, how it looks like, what it does and stuff like that. So that's the reason I'm giving you all this pictorial views of the components which comes along with the kit before even we open the kit and I start building and showing it to you, right? It's very important, right? Now in this video I am going to show you something called mission planner. So what is a mission planner, guys? So this looks like a cockpit, as if you are sitting in a cockpit of an aircraft, right? You are going to fly your drone with a screen and stuff like that. It's a kind of command center. So this screen what you see next to me, that's the grid which you are going to see once you install the entire software package on your Windows machine, on your laptop, right? So this is called ArduPilot Mission Planner, which is a fully featured ground station software application for ArduPilot open source autopilot project. So it's compatible with your Pixhawk and Ardu the system, the microcontroller, right? That's called the APM microcontroller. Either you'll be using APM or Pixhawk. In this series of lesson, I'm going to use both Pixhawk and APM and show it to you how to do the wiring and all the stuffs, right? So Mission Planner software is the perfect tool for planning your drone missions. Guys, this looks really powerful, but you need to understand how this works, right? Which I'm going to walk you through in the later series. This is just a screenshot which I took from the Mission Planner. So this particular software allows you to prepare, plan and monitor your various missions you are going to drive through your drone, right? So Mission Planner is a ground control station basically for your drone bot. So it is compatible with Windows only for now, unfortunately, but most of the users are Windows users, so that makes more easy. So Mission Planner can be used as a configuration utility or as a dynamic control supplement for your autonomous drone bot. So this is going to be really beautiful, guys. Once you get a hands on into the Mission Planner and start configuring this with your drone bot, once both starts communicating with your telemetry device and the GPS device and with your cameras and stuff like that, just imagine sitting at home, you are going to give a command and your drone bot is going to fly, take a look at your environment and come back to your home station. It's going to be wonderful, right? So that's what you're going to learn out of this particular software. I will show you systematically how to configure this on your laptop as well as connect this with your drone bot. So that's what is in the upcoming videos as soon as possible. Alright guys, see you in the next video pretty quick. Goodbye.